What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over Cardano, guys. ADA, currently sitting at $2.30. We're up about 1.6% on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of 72.67 billion. 24-hour volume is 3.38 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we've broken out of our descending channel here. We had a back test of the level of support, previous level of resistance, and we had a nice little bounce up to our price target at $2.39. Now there's another pattern here I've noticed for ADA. It's a bullish continuation pattern, guys, and it's an ascending triangle here. So I'm quickly going to take this level of support out. It's a little bit distracting here. So you can see we had a little bit of a breakout and we fell back down into the pattern. So if you see us come down here and retest this level of support and you see a nice little bounce, or you see us bounce off the EMAs and we break out of this ascending triangle, I'll give you your target here. Measure the body. Could bring ADA back up almost close to 271, which is a previous level of support, previous level of resistance. So do keep an eye on this pattern. If it does break out here, could be a nice little trade opportunity. But if we were to come down here and break the level of support, I'll always give you the breakdown target as well. We'd bring ADA back down to about $1.81. Bitcoin would have to go through quite a harsh correction for that price target to be hit here. We still have that strong level of support for ADA at 205. So if we look at ADA here on the daily, you can see we are still struggling to get back above the EMAs. We are hitting a lot of resistance along the EMAs. Would be crucial if we're going to see continuation back to the upside for us to get back above the EMAs and hold them as support. So I just quickly want to look at Bitcoin here. We broke our previous swing high, which is extremely bullish sign, guys. We broke that major level of resistance. It looks like we're coming back for a back test of support. Our target was met from our symmetrical triangle here. I'm just going to take that out. Our target was also met from our bull pennant here. So that was a little juicy trade opportunity of 10%. Guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins with me, sign up to Bybit and receive up to $600 in bonuses. You get $50 just for your first deposit within 48 hours. It's my favorite platform for leverage trading. They also have spot trading available. So that target was met as well. So it looks like we may be coming back for a back test of about 52.8K, which was the previous swing high and a previous level of support. So if you do see us come down, we find support on the EMAs here on the 4 hour and we bounce, I would target 60K for Bitcoin as your next level of resistance. You can see previous swing high. So we may see a little bit of resistance right around 60K. But if Bitcoin were to lose this level of support, do target 50.4K, which was a major level of resistance, as your next level of support here for Bitcoin. We are a bit overextended, so it just looks like we're coming back to the EMAs. And if we can hold 52.8, we're looking strong for continuation. If we quickly look at the long versus short ratio, you can see that shorts have been increasing over the last 4 hours. We're at 50% short and we're at 49% long. If we look at the 12-hour, you'll see as well, shorts have been increasing over the last 12 hours as well. So nice little indicator to know when you're going to see some sell-off and a back test of support. So let's finish the video off here with ADA. On the daily, you want to see us get back above the EMAs, because if we get rejected, that's when we come back down to that strong level of support at 205. And then just watch for this ascending triangle. Your target is all the way up at about 267. We have some levels of resistance at 239 as well as 255. And if it were to break down here, I don't think the technical target would be met. Of course, it's a possibility, but Bitcoin would have to go through some harsh sell-off for ADA to come all the way back down to about $1.80. But if we were to break down here, I would target 205 as a strong level of support for ADA. All right, guys, Bitcoin is looking really, really strong. So we're really just waiting for ADA to have its major breakout. So just keep an eye on this ascending triangle. If you want to trade ADA with me along with many other altcoins, make sure to sign up to Bybit. Grab your $50 for your first deposit within 48 hours, as well as up to $600 in bonuses. Check out my full length tutorial and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.